You must know what happened to you yesterday and not allow it to happen today. If you fail to take history into recognition, then you are digging your grave. And that's why I've said PDP must be careful. As it stands now, the way they are going, they are trying to make sure we have crisis. Take for example, anybody they think calls me on phone or relates with me is a wicked person. Therefore, the person must go. When you do that, what I trying to let me do, I should fold my arms. The acting National Party chairman today is not my friend. He never supported me. The National Secretary, he never supported me. The National Organizing Secretary never supported me. These are their people. In fact, when I was in Germany, in Wiesbaden, when the National Secretary today wanted to run governorship against Hope Uzodimma, he came to me for support. I said, I'm not going to support you. I won't support you. I'm not here to play politics to say, okay, let me think about it. I don't do that. I told him I was not going to support you. What's the problem now? I said, let the right thing be done. You see that chairmanship is zoned to North Central, which is not correct. Chairmanship is zoned to North, and Secretary is zoned to the South. It is within your area how you, do it. But we don't zone National Chairman North Central. Nobody did that. And that was why in the constitution of the party, they said when the national chairman is not there, the deputy national chairman from that zone will be acting pending when the convention is done for replacement. You don't appoint a national chairman. It's not a caretaker committee. You cannot appoint somebody to preside over those who are elected. And now you're telling us that, look, you want to go to Benue, North Central, to bring somebody. No, there will be election. There will be convention. It's not a caretaker committee. And that's why the law says the deputy national chairman, so that let it not be that the zone loses out, that the North have lost out. And I say, look, we must follow the constitution. It is not, you see, politics the way, you see, some people, take for example, my friend, the governor of Bauchi, who is the chairman of governor, PDP Governors Forum, you had his own statement. He has his own interest. So he wants who will be national chairman that will play along to that interest. And nobody will talk. If you want to do anything, say, oh, you're a wicked person. And I said, look, the matter has gone to court for interpretation of the constitution of the party. What the court interpret this? Can you bring a chairman that's not elected to preside over those that are elected? The President of the National Working Committee are all elected. And then you said, go and bring this chairman from Benue. I heard before Suswan, Senator Suswan. I'm hearing now the DG of the PDP Governor Forum, which is the governor of Bauchi's own nominee, to go and preside over elected people. Are we working like military and civilian? And I said, nobody does that. You have to wait for convention. And that is the law. It's not about, we did it yesterday. Yes, you may have done it yesterday, and nobody was able to challenge it. Does not mean, if you do it today, somebody will not challenge. You know, you can get away with things. And people make reference, after all, last 2 days, after last 2 days, we did like this. I agree. We are not the same. Nobody had the same luck. That's why when I came here as chairman, you see my own was turbulent. Was not correct. As a minister. Was it not? Other people have come. Was it turbulent? So everybody has his own luck that nobody challenged it yesterday. Does not mean that somebody will not challenge it today. And if PDP takes that step, I as a person will challenge it. They know. I mean, you see, we are not in the place where anybody think you can come and box anybody in. See what is happening. See what's happening in PDP. The National Legal Advisor is fighting to make sure where he collects tax is not blocked. Okay, let me tell you. You know what they do? What they do is that National Legal Advisor, if a state, for example, has election petition, or you talk with the governor will say, oh, I want to bring the lawyer that will stand for PDP. It's okay, you will pay this amount of money. Or he will bring, and then he will tell the person to charge fee. He collects his own. Now, I say that will stop. What happened? In 2023, you know we had a problem with the national. Now, when election petition came, that's why sometimes when you see things, you laugh. You laugh. You say human beings are terrible. Do you know what these people did? Secondly, they went to the national to get lawyers that will represent PDP so the election will be nullified. And I said, no, you can't send us lawyers. You cannot. I will not agree. The National Legal Advisor, oh, that he has rights. Okay, we went to court, and the Federal High Court here, to test whether the state legal advisor has right to give instruction to lawyers to represent the interests of the party as it concerns the state. The High Court ruled that yes, the National Legal Advisor said, no, you cannot do that. That the state, they all have that power as far as it is the interest of the party at the state level. This National Legal Advisor did not appeal the judgment. He did not appeal the judgment. He did not even tell his party, look, the court has given judgment. Now he knew that without judgment, he had lost the sucking. So states will not on their own not call you. Now what did he do now? A matter he did not appeal since last year. Now because of this reverse problem, a gate of sucking has opened. He is now sucking. Now went to court to say no, he is going to represent PDP. And we said no, you cannot. This is a matter about defection of which people, in which state, that we have to produce the lawyer to defend our interests. The judge ruled, relying heavily on the judgment of Federal High Court in 2023, which he did not appeal, and which he did not disclose to those he's sucking money from now. And he lost. You know what he did? He now said, file a notice of appeal. So that those who are giving him money, he will not tell them, oh look, we are still fighting on the matter. When he knows clearly, he did not even appeal the judgment of 23. Now, and I said, we have never had it bad of a national legal advisor who has shown so much that as a senior advocate, no integrity. That made me, I went to Senator Saraki. I said, SP, how did you know this guy that you brought into the National Legal Advisor? He said, what happened? I said, this guy is something else. No integrity, a senior advocate. You can't tell people the truth simply because you want to. And Senator Saraki said, well, he will look into it. I said, I don't, this guy is something else. No integrity. Senior advocate does not mean, but by that word, senior advocate, integrity comes in. Not only you knowing the law.
As a live venture, you should know that we have just about 5 minutes to round up this program. And,
I thought it was 10 minutes. So you got to my time.
Yes, that's why I wanted to cut your answer short, because I'm sure my colleagues are still going to ask for you. Okay. So, considering the fact that we have just about 5 minutes.
He's not a member of PDP, so can he give me support?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But what I want to ask is, do you perhaps in the future?
I have told you that I don't run away from any fight. I will stay there.
Well,
I will fight it out. Yes. Who am I going to run for? The vampires? How can you say that?
But your foot soldiers are already all in the APC.
Where are they?
The members of the House of Assembly.
You are the one telling me now.
The 27 members.
Where did they? That is the subject matter. That's why I said defection comes from you people's mouth.
To some people, it's like you're a fifth columnist in the PDP. You want to
please say those are people who don't have anything to. Can I tell something? Anybody who knows me know too well. If I want to join APC today, who will be president, this and that, whether to go to South and that, he has. Do you understand? Now, there are some other people too who are not known yet, playing ostrich. What I'm saying, and which you can't take away from, is that we must follow the law. Even if you hate this man, follow the law. What does the law say? It's not about plotting that will bring wicked down. You cannot. You don't have what it takes to bring wicked down. You cannot. All Wike is saying, what is the law? What does the constitution of the party say? I will not just as a prominent member of the party, fold my arms, allow somebody to be appointed to preside over those who were elected. National chairman is by election. It's not by appointment. Come and replace. That replacement.
Local version of the crisis first.
I'm coming. Yes. What I don't know your interest, but I'm coming. What I'm trying to say is that national chairman, if you are doing caretaker, it can be by appointment. But if it is to preside over those who are elected, that chairman must be by election, and that must be through convention. Now you talk about local version. What is local version? PDP is intact. PDP have done their world congresses. PDP have done their local government congresses. At their faction that did it. The state congress will be next week. Look, I understand how some people feel. I have passed through all this before. Some people who cannot, hunger. No, not hunger. I will use the word. So many people can't stay out of power. You will see people whom you think what they sought, the way they do. In fact, sometimes I begin to ask questions. If this man was my dad, what would I have said?
Permit me to end this program so that we are not content.
Okay, so I sincerely thank you, even though you took all my time. But the point is that I'm a PDP member. The law must be followed before we go. But if you think that you can go and sit down somewhere and say you will do this, you cause crisis for yourself.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. I hope to see you again. We don't know how soon that will be. That depends on the Honorable Minister. Thank you, Honorable Minister, for granting us access to you once again.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. We'll see you again.
I can take away the fact that you said Wike will not be wicked.
No. It's not in the dictionary at all.